15 incredible Amazon household gadgets worth your money. In today's fast-paced world, technology has revolutionized the way we manage our homes, from cleaning to cooking and even organizing. Amazon offers a vast array of household gadgets that make life simpler, more efficient, and more fun. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking for a few practical solutions for everyday challenges, Amazon's marketplace has something for everyone. Here's a roundup of 15 incredible household gadgets that are worth your money. But before we dive into the list, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. 15. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. The Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker allows you to cook restaurant-quality meals at home using precise temperature control. This immersion circulator ensures food is cooked evenly and retains moisture, perfect for meats, fish, vegetables, and more. With Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control the cooker remotely through the Anova app, monitoring your food's progress. Its easy-to-use design and consistent results make it an excellent tool for anyone looking to elevate their cooking and achieve perfect meals every time. 14. LIFX Color and 19 Smart Bulb. The LIFX Color and 19 Smart Bulb offers customizable lighting with 16 million colors and adjustable brightness to create the perfect ambience for any room. It can be controlled through a smartphone app or voice commands via Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. The bulb doesn't require a hub for setup, making it easy to install and use. Its energy-efficient LED technology provides long-lasting performance, and it's ideal for creating mood lighting or enhancing your home's smart capabilities. The LIFX Color and 19 is a perfect choice for modern, tech-savvy homes. 13. Bose Home Speaker 500. The Bose Home Speaker 500 delivers exceptional sound with stereo imaging, filling any room with rich, detailed audio. It features built-in Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free voice control, allowing you to play music, set reminders, and manage smart devices. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can stream music from various sources, including Spotify and Apple Music. The sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any home, offering both high-quality sound and smart home integration for a truly immersive experience. 12. Nest Learning Thermostat. The Nest Learning Thermostat automatically adjusts your home's temperature based on your schedule, ensuring comfort and energy savings. It learns your preferences over time and can be controlled remotely via a smartphone. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, it offers a smart, eco-friendly solution for home climate control. 11. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. The Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker lets you create custom breakfast sandwiches quickly and easily. With its non-stick cooking surfaces, you can layer ingredients like eggs, cheese, and your choice of meat or vegetables for a delicious, homemade breakfast. This compact, easy-to-clean appliance is perfect for busy mornings, making it simple to enjoy a hot, fresh sandwich in minutes. Its user-friendly design also allows you to customize each sandwich to your liking, whether you prefer a classic or more creative option. It's a must-have for any breakfast lover. 10. Upright iHome Smart Plug. The iHome Smart Plug allows you to control any device plugged into it remotely via your smartphone or voice commands through Alexa and Google Assistant. You can schedule, set timers, and automate devices like lights, fans, or small appliances, making it a convenient addition to any smart home. It's energy efficient, simple to install, and doesn't require a hub, offering an easy way to enhance your home's automation and reduce energy waste with minimal effort. 9. Ninja Bin 701 Professional Plus Blender. The Ninja Bin 701 Professional Plus Blender is a powerful, versatile kitchen tool designed for smooth, consistent blending. With its 1400-watt motor, it effortlessly crushes ice, blends frozen ingredients, and handles tough foods like nuts and seeds. The large 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making smoothies, soups, and salsas for the whole family. Featuring multiple speed settings and a precise control system, this blender delivers professional-grade results, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their blending game and streamline meal prep. 8. Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker. The Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker offers versatility with multiple brew sizes, allowing you to customize your coffee experience. It features a strong brew setting for bolder coffee and an iced coffee option for refreshing drinks. The large water reservoir ensures fewer refills, making it perfect for busy mornings or entertaining guests. 7. Dyson V11 Torque Drive Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Dyson V11 Torque Drive Cordless Vacuum Cleaner offers powerful suction and versatile cleaning on all surfaces, including carpets and hardwood floors. With multiple cleaning modes, it adapts to different tasks, while its long battery life ensures uninterrupted cleaning. The cordless design adds convenience, making it perfect for quick, thorough home cleaning. 6. Neato Robotics D9 Robot Vacuum. The Neato Robotics D9 Robot Vacuum offers powerful suction and smart mapping for efficient cleaning. Its unique D-shaped design allows it to clean corners and edges more effectively than round models. Equipped with a large dustbin and a long battery life, it ensures a thorough clean of larger spaces. The D9 also features app control, voice assistant compatibility, and multiple cleaning modes, making it an ideal choice for hassle-free, intelligent home cleaning. 5. Eufy by Anker Boost IQ Robovac 11S. The Eufy by Anker Boost IQ Robovac 11S is a slim, quiet robot vacuum that delivers powerful suction for effective cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. It features Boost IQ technology, which automatically increases suction when needed for a deeper clean. The Robovac 11S is equipped with smart sensors to navigate around obstacles, ensuring a thorough cleaning without interruptions. Its long battery life and self-charging capability add to the convenience, making it a perfect, low-maintenance solution for keeping your home clean effortlessly. 4. Wyze Cam V3. The Wyze Cam V3 is an affordable, high-quality security camera offering 1080p HD video, two-way audio, and a 130-degree field of view. It features impressive night vision for continuous 24/7 monitoring and is weather-resistant for both indoor and outdoor use. With easy integration with Alexa and Google Assistant, the Wyze Cam V3 is a reliable and cost-effective solution for home security. 3. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker combines 7 kitchen appliances in one, including a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and sterilizer. Its one-touch cooking programs make meal preparation quick and easy, while its large capacity is perfect for family-sized meals. The pressure cooking feature significantly reduces cooking time, making it a versatile and time-saving gadget for busy households looking to simplify cooking without compromising flavor. 2. Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean Smart 9750 Electric Toothbrush. The Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean Smart 9750 Electric Toothbrush offers a superior brushing experience with advanced sonic technology and smart sensors that provide real-time feedback for improved oral care. It connects to the Sonicare app, offering personalized recommendations and progress tracking. With multiple brushing modes, including gum care and whitening, it ensures a comprehensive clean. The toothbrush also features a sleek design, long battery life, and a charging glass, making it both a high-performance and stylish addition to your daily routine. 1. iRobot Roomba i7 Plus Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus Robot Vacuum offers advanced cleaning with smart mapping, enabling it to efficiently navigate and clean your home. It features self-emptying technology, so the vacuum automatically empties its dustbin after each cleaning session, minimizing maintenance. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, it allows for easy voice control. The Roomba i7 Plus delivers powerful suction and thorough coverage, making it ideal for busy households looking for a hands-off solution to keep their floors spotless. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.